We're back from our summer break with another episode of Phantom Bricks. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Lego Ninjago Jay's Titan Mech, set 71785, has 794 pieces and is a fun mech build. So let's get to it. As you can see, there is a lot going on with this mech build. The design of the feet, legs, knees, and hip joints make this a very stable mech. It is highly posable and very playable because it will not fall over at the drop of a hat. So all around it is a very solid build. The mech scale accessories are a standout feature with a huge, what I think of as a Final Fantasy sized dragon blade in the hand and two large katanas on the hip. One cool thing about these swords is how they attach to the hands of the mech. There's a Technic pin on each hand and a Technic connector on each sword that lets you attach the swords to the hands in a way that keeps them upright and stable, which enhances playability. Each shoulder has a shooter that will launch a projectile and also adds to the overall styling of the set. Also up top, right underneath the mech's head, is a cockpit for one of the minifigures to sit in, and a cool tail or plume that comes off the back of the head. Set also comes with a small accessory build, a fast-firing double crossbow that comes with 4 darts and is mounted on a wagon. Set features a nice mix of minifigures. We get Jay and Nya so that you can stage battles against the Bone King, Bone Knight, and Bone Hunter, and there's a Pixal Bot included as well. All in all, this is a great Ninjago mech set. We enjoyed building it. It's a really big model. It's great for both play and display, and is a set that we highly recommend. This is LEGO Ninjago Jay's Titan Mech. Set number 71785, has 794 pieces, was released earlier this year. It is recommended for ages 9+, and retails for $79.99. You can find it on our website at www.phantom-toys.com, and if we're out of stock, you can always find it at lego.com. Phantom Bricks is produced by Phantom Toys and Games. We are an online retailer of LEGO products and an authorized dealer of LEGO products. If you like this content, please consider hitting the subscribe link below. We love to hear from our viewers, so please consider leaving a comment as well. And until next time, happy building.